Hey, let's take a quick look at this tire spoon kit. That's pretty handy little kit. I used it to take off and install some tires for a lawnmower. And the spoons have a pretty good angle to them. Good finish, so they're not like scarring up your wheels. But a little bite on the edge here. But overall, very smooth, good finish. Pretty good little angle to them. And I wrenched down on these pretty hard. The grips are pretty great for the money. And I didn't break them, even though I was laying on them real hard. This one doesn't have that little bite on the edge. Yeah, these aren't, snap-on tools or something. This is just a inexpensive tool for doing a job you'd rather not pay somebody to do. Yeah, it looks like it's a little edge on that one. Probably grind that off. They do come with these wheel protectors, which I did use. They went on and came off easy. And what's really cool is they actually give you a bag with some extra valve stems in it, and some extra cores, and a core removal tool. So that was cool to see. Yeah, overall, seems like a good kit. Got a nice little bag it all goes into. And I put the tires on and took them off, and everything worked out just fine with these things.